Wondering how much it would cost to buy a house or flat in Scotland? There's a number of fees to consider when buying your new house, now including the cost of moving home, your deposit and solicitor's fees. Make sure you've saved enough to cover all the upfront costs. Now, some of the costs include land and building transaction tax, also known as LBTT in Scotland. In England it's known as stamp duty, and Wales it's known as land transaction tax. You'll also have your deposit. Now this is the amount that you'll pay towards the cost of the property when you buy your home. On average, you'll need at least between 5 and 20% of the purchase price. There'll also be electronic transfer fees. Now they typically cost in the region between £30 and £50. Now that covers the lender's cost for transferring the mortgage money from the lender to the solicitor. Also could be estate agents fees. Now they're only paid by the seller, not the buyer, for the estate agent services. Now they're normally negotiated when the seller puts the property on the market. Removal costs, typically anywhere between £300 and £600, although you could rent a van and do it yourself. Also fees for receiving mortgage advice. Now you have the right to know in advance how your mortgage advisor will be paid. Now remember to ask them whether they take a fee from you, commission from the bank or lender, or both. And you should also ask how much the fee or commission will be paid and confirm the fee you pay depending on whether the mortgage deal is going to go ahead or not. And there may also be mortgage fees. Now they might include booking fees, an arrangement fee, a mortgage valuation fee. You might want to pay these up front in some cases rather than adding them to the mortgage. Otherwise you could be paying interest on them for the lifetime of the mortgage. There will also be legal fees. Now, you'll need a solicitor to carry out the legal work when buying or selling your home. Now, legal fees are typically anywhere between £500 and £1,500 plus VAT, and will depend on whether you're buying and selling or just buying. Now, the sale and the purchase price will also impact that, along with the location of the property and a few other factors. You have valuation fees. Now, the mortgage lender will assess the value of the property to establish how much they're prepared to lend you. However, in Scotland, anyone selling a property publicly in Scotland will need to have a home report available to you.